Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to set background color. So this sub-series is for setting the background by means of color as well as image, and we will start with background color. So the rule here is background color used to specify background color for a HTML tag. So you can use any tag and set the background color for it. The color can be specified as color name, for example red, blue, likewise. Then RGB value using the red, green, blue combination values, or as a hexadecimal number. In our previous sub-series itself, we saw setting up the color with a hexadecimal as well as color name. If you specify inherit for the background color, the color will be taken from the parent node. Say for example, if there is a div tag, and let us state that you specified some color for this div tag, and there are other nodes which are child for this div tag, and if we specify inherit, the color will be taken from its parent. So here is the example. The selector is h1 tag, h2 tag, and paragraph tag. And if you see here, we are using the background color. And we specify the hexadecimal value here. This hexadecimal value together specifies the red, green, blue component values. But we specify that as a hexadecimal number. So there is a div tag, so that's the selector. Here the selector is combination of three tags, h1, h2, and p. And here we are using the div tag as a selector, and we specify background color as green. Here we specified the background color as color name. Next we use dot parent bg. We know what is meant by dot. Dot is here the class. So any tag, if it contains parent bg as a class attribute, then it selects the background color from its parent. So that's all. Here we used 3 selector, and totally all sets the background color by means of different values. So this is what applied in the example. And if you see h1 tag picks the color value from here, and if you walk through, h2 also pick the same color value, and there is a paragraph that also picks same color value. Here is also paragraph, right? h1, h2, p all selects same value from the rule 1. So that's why you see here h1, the rule 1 is applied here 1, and text paragraph rule 1 is applied here. h2 rule 1 is applied, but it is later overridden. We will see that. Then for text paragraph, rule 1 is applied, right? Because paragraph is here. Next comes the div tag, and we specify color as green here. And if you see, this is the div tag, and div tag will have the color of green. And here parent bg is here. So that was previously with color one yellow. Now it is green. Why? Because we specified parent BG. The parent's background color is green, so green is applied here. Alright, now we will go to the demo and see how this is working. So here we are in our VS Code and we will create two files as required, background and background.css. So as we already saw in the PowerPoint slide, we have three selector. This is for H1, H2, P. This is a div tag selector, and then we have parent background. So in all cases, we specified the background color rule. So in our HTML, we have H1 tag, P div, and one is using the inherit property. And one is using the inherit property by means of this class attribute. Now we will save all. Okay, everything is saved. So you can see how the background color is applied. So here we applied background color for individual tags. So that's why you are seeing the background color. So the parent color is overridden by the child. So here it is paragraph, right? So that's overridden here in the test paragraph 2. Alright, so this is how you have to apply background color to an element. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.